كما أرسلنا فيكم رسولا منكم يتلو عليكم آياتنا ويزكيكم ويعلمكم الكتاب والحكمة ويعلمكم ما لم تكونوا تعلمون.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Purification of the heart or purification of the nafs. Why should I take this course, and what does purification mean, and should I be purified? Do I need to be purified? We all suffer and we all complain and we all feel, maybe even silently, that my relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not where it should be. I don't feel it when I pray, and even if I feel I don't feel close enough, I don't earn, or I don't feel I want to be close to Allah, I don't miss Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I don't miss my dua or my supplication. And basically because my heart is stained, we're too busy, there's too many things in life, I'm attached to many things in life that is veiling me and putting curtains, if you want to use the word, between me and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the course will teach me, number one, will teach me and teach us all what is the problem, what is these curtains and veils that I and maybe society and maybe family put inside my heart. So the number one is find out what is the problem. And number two, which is the most important thing, is how will I clean this, and how I will go to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As long as I am living, I'm going to Him with a pure heart. We're going to be studying a book to Imam Ibn al-Qayyim. It's called Ighathatul Lahfan, the coming to the rescue of the needy person. And the needy here is not money and material. Is the needy is the one who's in need to get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and feel it. So we'll cover it over 6 weeks of time. We are reading the book and we're studying the book, and it's an amazing book and it's an amazing course. And I have a certain passion for this one, because I think what we really miss is this personal relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And by His grace, hopefully, by studying these courses, we will be able to achieve this.